Bruxism treatment in Berlin. Protect your smile. Relax your jaw. No more grinding for better sleep and stronger teeth. Bruxism, unconscious teeth grinding or clenching, can wear down your teeth and overstrain your jaw. At Zack Dental in Berlin, we offer targeted, modern treatments to help you protect your smile, relieve tension, and feel better long-term. Signs you may have bruxism: worn, chipped, or sensitive teeth, jaw pain or joint clicking, restless sleep or morning fatigue, headaches upon waking, visible tooth wear despite good hygiene. How we treat bruxism: digital bite analysis and functional diagnostics, gives accurate assessment of your jaw movement and pressure zones. Custom-made bite, splint, night guard, gives tailored to your bite, protects enamel, and relieves jaw tension. Botox therapies for muscle overactivity, gives minimally invasive relief for clenched jaw muscles. Elbow laser therapy for TMJ inflammation, gives pain-free anti-inflammatory treatment to support healing. Your benefits at Zack Berlin: advanced diagnostics and individualized treatment. Focus on protection, relaxation, and biological balance. Gentle, non-invasive methods, tailored to your needs. Wake up relaxed. Smile with confidence. Live without grinding.